Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of dust, pet hair, and crumbs constantly showing up on your hardwood floors, then today's video is exactly what you need. I've handpicked the top 5 best robot vacuums hardwood floors that deliver powerful suction, smart navigation, and gentle floor care, so your hardwood stays clean and scratch-free every single day. Whether you're a busy parent, a pet owner, or just want a hands-free cleaning upgrade, these vacuums are absolute game changers. Stay tuned, because number 1 on this list might actually save you hours of cleaning every week. Alright, let's jump right into the reviews and help you pick the perfect robot vacuum for your home. Number 5. Roborock Q7M5 Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop. The Roborock Q7M5 Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop brings powerful, hands-free cleaning to your home with smarter automation and upgraded performance. With its 7 weeks hands-free cleaning capability, the RockDock Plus features a large 2.7L sealed dust bag that stores pet hair, dirt, and debris without constant emptying. Enjoy longer cleaning cycles and minimal maintenance while your home stays consistently fresh. Powered by 10,000 pascals hyperforce suction, the Q7M5 Plus lifts embedded debris from carpets, floors, and tight edges with ease. Its dual anti-tangle design, including the jaw scraper's main brush and 0% hair tangling side brush, prevents hair wrap, even from long-haired pets, ensuring smooth, interruption-free cleaning. The advanced vacuum and mop combo helps remove dust you hardly see, capturing fine particles while offering 3 adjustable water flow levels for customized cleaning. Guided by the PreciSense LiDAR navigation system, the robot maps your home with high precision, creating optimized cleaning paths ideal for multi-room and pet-friendly households. With multiple ways to control, the Roborock app puts full command at your fingertips. Schedule cleanings, set no-go zones, initiate spot cleaning, and track real-time progress effortlessly. The app operates on 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, giving you simple, reliable, and personalized cleaning control anytime, anywhere. Number 4. Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum. The Shark AI Ultra Voice Control Robot Vacuum delivers a powerful, intelligent, and truly hands-free cleaning experience designed for busy homes, especially those with pets. With incredible suction, this robot tackles dirt and debris on all floor types, easily handling tough messes on carpets and hard floors. Using the Shark Clean app and voice control, cleaning your home is now easier than ever. No area is overlooked thanks to Matrix Clean navigation, which moves in a precise matrix grid and makes multiple passes to ensure no spots missed, providing deep, whole home coverage. The convenience continues with its self-emptying base, which holds up to 60 days of dirt and debris. The bagless design means no need to purchase extra disposal bags, saving time and money. The self-cleaning brush roll digs deep into carpets and engages hard floors, pulling up debris, dirt, and hair from all surfaces while preventing hair wrap. Enhanced precision home mapping with 360 degrees LiDAR vision allows the robot to map quickly and adapt to changes, avoiding obstacles day or night. Perfect for pet-friendly households, this robot captures pet hair effortlessly. With hands-free control, you can schedule cleanings or activate on-demand cleaning using Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, all with just your voice. Number 3. Eureka E20 Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. Revolutionize your home cleaning with the Eureka E20 Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo, a state-of-the-art solution built for power, intelligence, and convenience. Featuring powerful 8,000 pascal suction, it effectively captures dust, debris, and pet hair from carpets and hard floors, ensuring a deep and thorough clean with every pass. The bagless self-emptying station holds up to 45 days of dirt and debris, reducing the need for frequent manual emptying and saving you money on replacement bags. This innovative self-emptying system makes maintenance effortless and keeps the vacuum ready for continuous performance. Equipped with Duo Detect AI 3D obstacle avoidance, the E20 Plus uses dual LiDAR sensors for smart navigation, accurately mapping your home and avoiding obstacles, even in low-light conditions. Its anti-hair tangling brush, designed with a V-shaped rubber brush roll, reduces hair wrap by 14%, making it ideal for pet-friendly homes. The auto-lifting mop enhances multi-surface cleaning by automatically raising the mop by 10 mm when carpets are detected, preventing accidental wetting and ensuring optimal results on all floor types. With intelligent mopping, efficient mapping, and pet-focused engineering, the Eureka E20 Plus delivers a smarter, cleaner home with minimal effort. Number 2. Tickum Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. The Tickum G8000 Max Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo delivers powerful and efficient home cleaning with its 5,000 pascal strong suction, effortlessly lifting pet hair, dust, and debris from hard floors, tiles, and even short to medium pile carpets. With a 450 ml dustbin and 300 ml water tank, it allows you to vacuum and mop in one go, cutting cleaning time by 50% and boosting overall efficiency. Enjoy extended performance with up to 150 minutes of runtime, and when the battery runs low, it automatically recharges to stay ready for the next task. With 4 control options, app, remote, voice and button, plus 4 cleaning modes including zigzag for maximum coverage, it adapts to every cleaning need. The ultra-slim 2.99-inch design easily reaches tight spaces, while smart anti-collision and anti-fall sensors ensure safe, intelligent navigation across all floor types.
Number 1.
Narwhal Frio X10 Pro Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. The Narwhal Frio X10 Pro Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo delivers exceptional cleaning power with 11,000 pascals hypersuction, ensuring deep debris removal on hard floors and carpets. Its carpet detection and 12mm auto mop lift keep rugs dry and protected. Featuring the dual-flow tangle-free system, the dynamic side brush loosens dirt while the roller brush guides hair directly into the bin, perfect for pet owners and long-hair households. With Mop Extend and Edge Swing, it reaches edges, corners, and tight spaces for complete coverage. The all-in-one base station automatically washes and heated dries the mops, while self-emptying storage holds up to 120 days of debris. Dual spinning mops apply 8N pressure with a patented Riulos triangular design for spotless floors. LiDAR navigation and 3D obstacle avoidance optimize cleaning routes across up to 4 maps. Control everything via app or voice, with support for 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching. Below check links in the description box. If this helped you, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.